What's the difference between an emergency room malpractice case involving a delayed diagnosis of a stroke and a wrongful due to internal bleeding? Now, let me tell you about the problems of a stroke case. It's very difficult for medical malpractice lawyers and medical experts to determine the timing of a stroke. What do I mean by that? I mean, when did the stroke occur, and would earlier treatment make a difference? So the legal standard is more likely than not. More likely than not means a greater than 50% chance that treatment of a stroke early would have gotten rid of the stroke and the patient would have been fine. In the medical world, we can always say possible and maybe, but that doesn't work in the legal world because we're held to a higher standard. In a case of wrongful involving internal bleeding, that's a much easier case to prove from the expert side because it's usually pretty obvious, especially when we've done an autopsy and we see the source of the bleeding. If you have any questions about emergency room malpractice leading to a stroke or internal bleeding from wrongful, please leave them in the comments.